Python multiprocessing processes sleep after a while. I have a script that runs through a directory and searches all files with a given ending i.xml for given strings and replaces them. To achieve this, I use the Python multiprocessing library. As an example, I am using 1100.xml files with around 200 MB of data. The complete execution time is 8 minutes on my MBP 1515-inch. But after some minutes, process for process is going to sleep, which I see in a top here after 7 minutes. Top output. So now only one process is doing all the work while the others went asleep after 4 minutes. Code snippet. So why are all processes going asleep? My guess, the file list is separated to all workers in the pool, same amount each, and a few are just lucky to get the small files, and therefore finish earlier. Can this be true? I was just thinking that it works more like a queue so that every worker gets a new file when it is finished, until the list is empty.
As Felipe Lima pointed out, it is a classical RTFM. I reworked the mentioned part of the script using a multiprocessing queue instead of a pool and improved the runtime.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.